Hey my friends, I'm cleaning out a Frigidaire dishwasher, and I was looking on YouTube and see how they cleaned it. Well, I tried that, but it didn't work. So what I did was, right in here is where the water drains out. But what happened was, my daughter put a cup in here with sunflower seeds, and it got stuck, so that's why it wasn't letting the water drain out. And this is what was in there: flower seeds. So if you guys have a Frigidaire, and if you guys have a little plier like this, just make sure you guys get everything that's in this little hole down here. Alright guys, hope that works.